Okay, just like before, we have a Sencor electric kettle, and this one I believe is a 1500 watt edition. The previous one that I did was 1100 watts, and it's a little bit smaller as far as height. And again, this one is a 1.8 liter capacity, so that's why this one is a little bit larger. Same features as the other one, triple safety protection. It's got the graduated side so you can see where your water level is. Let's go ahead and pull this out of the box. The same base that was in the previous one. Again, this one opens up and it sits down. It's got a connector right here that's designed to fit only with this particular brand. Again, it goes into the bottom. This sits right on top and it starts heating up. It's got a copper connection inside. And like I said, 1.8 liters. Alright, pretty cool. Here's your open switch. This opens up the lid, and it's got a filter. This one is a little bit heavier than the previous one. Here is your, either it looks like it's a disconnect or your power button. Haven't figured that out yet. I'll give it a shot. And you can see inside this one better the heating element, which heats not just from the bottom, it looks like it goes all the way up to the top to give it an even heat. Alright, this one is actually pretty nice. This is like a honeybee yellow in color. They make them in a variety of colors. There's a ton of colors, which you can see here on the top of the box. But this is the one that they had in stock, so this is the one I grabbed. We do hot teas and all that kind of stuff in here, hot chocolate. The kids will love it. So, be great for the solar panels when we get those installed on the shelter outside. Just plug this little thing in and be good to go. Alright. Again, this is the Sencor electric kettle. Not an endorsement. Not something I'm pushing. Just something I bought. Thought you might enjoy it. Alrighty, on to the next.